Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a video with photos using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to create new project on Inshot. I'm going to tap on video and then tap on new. And here we can choose photos we want to add it. We can go to the photo section and then I'm gonna go with this one, and this one as well. Then we can add it to our project by tapping on this check mark. Okay, and now the photos have been added to my project and I'm going to change the canvas. For the canvas, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and if you want to make all your photo have same duration, you can go to the duration menu and choose the duration you want to apply. I'm gonna go at 3 seconds. Okay, then you can click on the double check mark and select duration apply to all. Alright, now my photos have same duration and we're going to apply transition to our photo. I'm going to click on this transition button and choose the transition that you like. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and for the second transition, wait guys, I'm going to apply this glitch transition. Okay, and the last one, I'm gonna go with this full transition. Alright, and to make your video more captivating, I'm going to recommend you to add music from the Inshot. You can go to the audio and then select music. And I'm going to choose the, wait guys, I'm going to choose the chill music. You have to download the music before you add it to your video. And I'm gonna go with this one. Click on download and click on use. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a video with photos using Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.